You know, in Amsterdam, that has a very liberal pot smoking culture. That's caused a whole load of societal problems.
Can't see that come off it, blow off it, you know, the flowers and that.
Let me finish my point. Amsterdam are now
Pointless up there, isn't it?
drugs more than they ever have because of the societal problems.
But how are they regulating it, Carol? They're not criminalising it. And that's the difference.
Disgusting.
If they are going to regulate it and limit the way people use it, they are learning that as they go along. They're not saying this should be a crime.
Can you imagine a society if we
Like that,
decriminalise
look, all the
already
way.
have drugs that are legal, like alcohol. So now we decriminalise drugs. Can you imagine what will happen? I do. Washington DC. We have Portugal.
Put those looks out as well. In the wash bay, so you can go in there safely. All of them.
Well, if you're aware of it, and all the stats that I've just given you.
Switzerland is currently looking into, the capital of Switzerland is currently looking into legalising recreational use of cocaine. Europe itself is opening up its understanding.
So how important it is for everything to be just bloody left alone for naturally, so they can eat natural seeds that gets blown off of, you know, the little flowers and all that grow.
I agree with you, and we should
I've seen those that get blown.
not as a criminality.
And I'm talking about lots of police chiefs in this country say it should be made into a Class A drug, not a Class B, because of the harm it causes. Not only does it mess with you, but by doing it, messes with your heart and it messes with your lungs.
At the moment, it feels like we are caught between the two. I think we can agree on that. We are caught in a place where clearly use is widespread. It's criminal, and yet it's not being prosecuted very, very often at all.
I'm sure it would hurt it, because I've seen it over there. I said on one of my footages, it looks like she's nesting.
It stops people. It stops them getting out of control.
Couldn't get to it neither. By the way, for the record, still not done anything about that communal gate yet.
Yes, they do. So let's let them buy drugs.
People still die of alcoholism.
Been what, near 2 weeks tomorrow.
People who are
Oh, and 5 weeks
active addiction are
on
those
Sunday for
experiencing
this.
it. But by giving
Yeah,
we don't
nothing.
stop people actively because they're
And I'm done. I'm going to start looking elsewhere, and don't want to be in Yorkshire Housing anymore neither.
So let's decriminalise drugs and let's make addiction to drugs. Let's make even more people die.
Done it way around here. It's a shame, but that's it. Done. Nobody else cares, do they? So nope.
Right, ask your panellist, how do you see Angela family have lost loved ones due to drivers being
Bye
taking
guys.
drugs?